everybody. It's Saturday. It's about 11:30 a.m. on Saturday, January the 25th. Yeah, that's right. It's been a month since Christmas. Can you believe it? We're already on the 25th day of January. Now, I know I can't show you everything, but Stephen was actually driving the truck earlier this morning. He sure was. The phone had died and the camera had died, and I couldn't show you all that. Stephen's going down the road in the big rig. Let me see if I can't show you all that. Look, Stephen's going for a test drive. Look at that. So he's got the semi up and running. He's taking that out on a test drive. Because the phone had died. Because I was using it for another video. And he was actually driving the truck this morning. But now I see the wheels are back off. So a lot's been happening this morning on this 25th day of January. He's gone from driving the truck to the wheels being back off. So Stephen, inquiring minds do want to know, why did you take the wheels back off? You were driving it.
There is no back off.
You took the wheels back off.
There is no back off. First time that wheel's ever been off since I've owned this truck.
Oh, okay, right. This is the front wheel, right? Okay, you've had the. Oh yeah, look, he's turned the truck around. See, look at that. That's proof that he was out this morning driving the truck, because he's actually turned the truck around. And now we see all the tires back on the back end. So these tires, these were the ones that were off. And now they're all back on. And he's turned the truck around. And he said he did that for warmer temperatures. That's right. You told me about that. Why did you turn the truck around?
Because this time of year it's freaking cold, and I don't want to be in the shadows. The sun is generally on this side all day long, so I turned the truck where I'll be in the sun.
Okay, all right. So
I don't want to be in the shadows because it's cold in the shadows.
That's right. So now we're looking at this end of the truck.
Anywho, I'm just not very motivated today. I guess I'm a little burned out on all the work that I got to do.
So why is this tire off?
My shoulder, I haven't been able to get much sleep because of my shoulder.
Talk about that.
Well, there's a video where I was tightening up that tool that I borrowed to do the bushings, and it slipped off and hit my shoulder. Anyway, so my shoulder's been really bothering me. It hurts.
You even said that you think that you broke your collarbone.
I broke it, fractured it. Oh, anyway. So yeah, down to the nitty gritty. I just don't have much motivation for some reason.
Well, you just said you were in pain.
That, and I'm just kind of not motivated. Not motivated. I did sit one of those new speakers that I got up in there.
Oh, here.
So it's pretty big. I got 4 of them. So I didn't know that they were that big. In the picture, I thought they were just your normal size, speakers. That thing is huge. But that's okay. I can set one there and put another one down behind the seat. And then those ones there, they kind of, AJ, when he was a baby, stuck his fingers through the speakers, and so they kind of rattle. So I'll take those out, and then I have 4 of those, and I'll put the other 2 back there. But anyway, and then I have another stereo. This one doesn't work on my phone, and so I'm not going to say it's easy, because every time I say it's easy, it's been a week fixing it. So I'll take that out. I got the new stereo sitting right there, the Kenwood. Put it in there, so we'll be able to answer phone calls hands free, although it didn't come with a remote, which bums me out. I like a remote, so, but anyway, I can live without a remote. And anywho, so I'm set up to do my 5th wheels, because I'm doing the kingpins. And I still haven't got to the clutch. I'll adjust the clutch. So it's just a matter. I have the tool to turn the crank. I've had that thing for many years. Where is it? Here it is. This tool is called a 959 gear tool. Put that on the end of your socket and you can turn the motor and get it turned to where your adjustment screw comes around on your flywheel on your clutch and adjust it. Probably just needs to go in a quarter or half a turn. I just don't like my pedal all the way to the top. So anywho, you can see you got plenty of salt up in there. You see a white stuff? It's
oh,
there.
that's salt? The white stuff is
It's
salt?
even seeping out of the fiberglass. Look at that. It's even seeping out of the fiberglass. Yeah, well.
So you're
I'll just have to live with it for a while until I start making some money.
so the kingpins are where? Show me where the
kingpins are under this zert right here. There's 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3. And take those out, take them out down there, and there's 2 pins that hold it in, beat it out, and all this comes off. Then you got to knock out the bushings, and then you put it all back together. Put in your bushings and put it all back together.
So this is all salt right here? All that white stuff is all salt?
No. The white stuff you see back there on top of that gear, which is the ABS. Anyway. Anywho.
Alright, so you're going to be working on the kingpins this afternoon then?
I don't know. I just can't seem to get motivated. I mean, I got what I got done, but I'm definitely not motivated to do much.
Is that like a bunch of grease pile up right there? That's
a bunch of pile-em-up grease. Grease just said, hey, let's all gather right here and have a pile-em-up. That's what it is. All the grease decided that would pile up right there. The pile-up grease.
well, at least the tarps are off. The ice is gone. Hopefully the snow doesn't come back.
It's still cold out.
It is still cold.
That sun's behind that tree right now, so as soon as it comes around that tree, I might get motivated again. See the big pine tree blocking the sun? Where's the sun at, Ruthie? Oh, that's what you're talking about. I was looking in outer space. I haven't been in that board. Look at that board, how it's bent in a U shape.
Oh, the board you were laying on?
The plywood.
Yeah. Well, it's got a heavy truck on it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's the heaviest part of the truck right there where the motor's at.
It was exciting to see you drive it. The Mennonite lady this morning said, oh, he's got his truck up and running. She did. She gave me a dozen eggs. She came out of the house and gave me a dozen fresh eggs.
She was so excited she gave you a dozen eggs.
She gave me a dozen eggs from her chickens, and she said, you want... and her name is Ruth. And, of course, I'm Ruthie. So Ruth says to Ruthie, Ruthie, you want a dozen eggs? And she said, it's nice to see the truck up and running. It is kind of funny to have a Mennonite lady named Ruth next door, 2 houses next door. So, Ruth and Ruthie. All right, Stephen. Well, I hope the sun comes back out and you can find some mojo.
All right, go in there and find some pain medicine or something.
Love you, Stephen. Thank you for all your hard work.
Well, I love you too, Ruthie B, and thank you for all your hard work.
Are you Big Billy?
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for all your hard work.
Yes.
Have a wonderful day. Have lots of fun. God bless Ruthie's got cracking, bleeding hands, and later. No, don't scare the world. You're scaring the world.
Yeah, they are
That's
cracked.
put that away.
Put that away.
Somebody might freak out.
Put that away. Put your scary, chapped hands away.
My hands aren't scary and chapped. Look at that. You know what that is? That's a lack of sodium. A lack of a few other things too.
It's just called winter dryness.
Yeah, that's why I have winter dryness, right?
All right, you all
I'm out here in it.
Y'all have a nice Saturday.
Y'all have a nice Saturday. Oh, I need new IFTA tags.
Oh, well, I would say so.
Yep. Whoever gets their name on my door will be able to get me some IFTA tags. Adios. I'm Big Betty.
And I'm Bumbles.
And together we are
Big Belly
bumbling around.
Bumbles.
Later.